Consolidated Foods Limited has launched its second annual breast cancer awareness promotion in conjunction with the St. Lucia Cancer Society. The company is also working with the Yoplait brand, a company with a 19-year commitment to the eradication of breast cancer. In 2008, CFL donated over $16,000 to the Cancer Society, money raised from its 2 breast cancer awareness campaigns. Marketing manager Sancha Raggy James says the first of these is the month-long promotion that involves the purchase of a pink-tipped Yoplait yogurt.
We'll first start with the Yoplait Save Lids to Save Lives campaign. Through this campaign, anyone who purchased a Yoplait yogurt with a pink lid at our Super J supermarkets and other leading supermarkets, Super J supermarkets with Yoplait will donate 10 cents to the St. Lucia Cancer Society. Unlike this campaign, which is done in the US and internationally, you don't have to bring in the lids. The 10 cents is an automatic transaction as long as you purchase a pink lid Yoplait yogurt.
The president of the St. Lucia Cancer Society praised Super J for its second promotion, the Yoplait Walk for Cancer. The activity will be held on November 1st from Caribbean Cinemas in Shock to Pigeon Island. Registration for the walk can be done at all Super J locations. All the proceeds raised is donated to the Cancer Society.
The walk has the effect of raising awareness, number one, which is very important, because unfortunately we still see individuals and families who suffer from breast cancer who do not seek advice and do not seek attention, and maybe sometimes don't even seek follow-up care. And it's really unfortunate because I think the ability to deal with these conditions depends very much on picking it up as early as you can and dealing with it with the most effective drugs and things that you have at the time.
David Bristol also credited promotions like the 2 from CFL for raising the profile of cancer in the country. He says as his society prepares to celebrate its 30th anniversary in 2011, it is one of its biggest accomplishments.
In St. Lucia, we've actually been successful in taking cancer out of that sort of black box where it was hidden away, surrounded by a lot of myth and a lot of fear. And we've actually brought it to the stage now where you hear people talking like we're talking today. In public about cancer and even about specific cancers. And I think that actually goes a long way to allaying fear, and fear is probably one of the worst things that we deal with as humans, probably the worst thing.
The $16,445 donated by CFL to the St. Lucia Cancer Society was used to fund chemotherapy treatments and mammogram screenings for St. Lucian women. Carmi Joseph, HTS News, Channel 4.